Hey guys, so today's video is going to be the makeup lovers tag. I was tagged by two really lovely ladies here on YouTube, and they are, let me get their YouTube channel names because I can't really remember right now. Bia BTY and All Things Michaela. I'm so grateful to them for tagging me because this is a lot of fun. I just love sitting here and talking about makeup. And yeah, before I end this video, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a new video. I try and upload on YouTube every other day. I've been failing at that, but it's gonna happen, I promise. That is my goal for life, is to film every other day, or not film, but like get a video up every other day. I would also love for you to head over to my Instagram and show me some love there. I post a lot of creative content on Instagram and I post every single day, or I'm trying to. Gonna get the hang of it, I promise. That's what this video is about. It asks you like how often you film, like what's your strategy for all that. So it'll be fun to answer these questions and have you guys get to know me a little bit better and like my makeup loves and stuff like that. So yeah, let's get into this tag video. Okay, I'm not even sure who came up with this tag video, but I do have the questions here. There are 15. So the first one is, how do you prepare for videos and how many times a week or month do you film? So I have an ongoing list on my phone. Like I literally have thousands of ideas, not thousands, but like probably if I actually wrote them all down, it would be thousands. Like I always am constantly writing things down of what I want to do on my phone and like in my notes section, and I just like, no, I won't, I'm gonna do that this week, and I sit down and film it. A lot of times I'll film 2 videos in one day. One will be makeup related and the other will be like a talking video, so I can just kill 2 birds with 1 stone. I really hate that saying, but it's true. But yeah, I just generally do that. I don't do a lot of tutorials here on YouTube, so maybe sometimes I'll do a look for Instagram and then film a talking video for YouTube right after. But it just really depends on what it is, because sometimes my creative looks on Instagram are like too much for YouTube videos, to be honest. But like for example, today I filmed this like dewy freckly look for Instagram, and now I'm doing this video, and I'm gonna film another one after this too, because I just have to get this other video up as well. It just really depends on like what kind of look I'm doing, like what I'm going for. But I sit in front of a camera pretty much every single day, regardless of whether it's for Instagram or YouTube. This is my job, so this is what I do. Number 2 is, how long does it take for you to record or edit? Again, it just really depends on what kind of video. This particular video I've been filming maybe since 1 o'clock. I did this look, but like that's including setting everything up, making sure the lighting is good, testing the microphone, like it includes everything. And then I did this look and now I'm filming this video. It's 2:30 now, so maybe like an hour and a half. It's just, again, really depends. Like I could do 2 talking videos in a couple of hours, but if it's like a makeup tutorial, it could take me like a few hours to film that, because yeah. And then if I'm doing like product shots and stuff like that, like it just really depends on what it is. But editing takes me a little bit longer, but I am the queen of filming, editing, and uploading in the same day. Like I'm probably gonna get this video up today because it's easy to edit. Talking videos are a lot easier to edit. There's a lot less cuts that I have to do and less like b-roll footage and like things like that. It just really depends on what it is. If it's a makeup tutorial, it takes a little bit longer, unless it's for Instagram, in which case I could do that in like an hour. I feel like I'm talking really fast. I'm sorry guys. Yeah, it just really, again, depends. I'm sorry, I'm looking at my freckles and I'm like not sure I'm like entirely like happy with them. I'm using this new freck thing. I just need to do like more freckles. They look like really like unnatural. I feel like this side looks super natural, but the other side, I don't know. It really just like, sorry, I'm getting on a tangent here. I'm just like staring at myself in the mirror. I don't know if this thing is really worth 20-something dollars that I paid for it. It's kind of ridiculous, but whatever. Sorry. Anyway, so did I finish answering that question? I'm not sure. Editing, yeah, it just really depends on what it is, but I am the queen of like really fast editing. If it's a talking video, I could do it in 1 day. Number 3 is, what is your favorite drugstore and high-end brand? If I could say ColourPop, I would, even though it's not really sold at the drugstore. It's just my favorite affordable brand. It's such a great brand. But in terms of brands you could actually find at the drugstore, I would say Physicians Formula. They have a really great bronzer and blush formula. I love it. And their foundation formula, the Healthy Foundation, is so good as well. And yeah, they're a little bit more expensive for drugstore, but they're really good and I love them. And in terms of high-end, I would say Jeffree Star Cosmetics, obviously. But in terms of something you could find at Sephora, I would probably say Anastasia Beverly Hills. Oh my gosh, I love that brand so much. It's my dream to get on their PR list. Like I've been trying to get their attention for years. I literally buy almost all of their releases. Number 4, what is your most expensive beauty product? I would have to say I splurge a lot on skincare and hair, not hair care, but hair appliances. So sitting right here is my Dyson Corral. I forgot the name of it for a second. It's the straightener. That was $499. I also have the Dyson Airwrap, which was $550. And I also have the Dyson blow dryer, which I'm probably gonna sell because I don't need it anymore. I don't use it at all. I use really only the Airwrap. And I've been loving the Corral. Like, it makes my hair look so smooth. That is probably my most expensive beauty product. In terms of makeup, I would say my most expensive like palette would be the Be Perfect Cosmetics Carnival XL Pro palette, which was, because of all the shipping, it comes from the UK, so I think it costs like $60. But Jeffree Star has pretty expensive palettes and I own almost all of them. That's pretty much a rundown of all of my expensive beauty products. Okay, so number 5, what motivates you to create content? I love this. This is my passion and I'm turning this into my job. I'm manifesting it. I'm actually making it happen. I do this every single day. This is my job right now. And although it's not like a complete full-time income at the moment, I'm hoping it will turn that way, along with my, you know, makeup artist, like doing freelance makeup artistry on, you know, clients and stuff. But that's what motivates me to create content. Like, it's just a passion of mine that I want to turn into a job. I'm taking this so seriously. I post content as often as I can. I do this every single day. There's not a day, like literally 7 days a week, where I'm not working. Like, I may not work the entire day on Saturday and Sunday, but I do stuff every single day for my job. So that's what motivates me. I just do it. It's my job and I love it and I wouldn't trade it for the world. Number 6 is, what is your favorite app to edit your pictures? I have started Photoshop craze. I've started editing my pictures super seriously for Instagram because I used to just edit on Facetune. I don't like Facetune. I think that I look back on pictures that I really like, but I edit them so poorly that it makes me want to cry. And I don't have the originals of those anymore, unfortunately, so I can't even re-edit them the new way on Photoshop. But I did sign up for like a Photoshop class to actually learn. Like, I'm so interested in learning how to do it professionally, like retouch photos and edit photos. Like, I might actually start making that my side hustle as well, like retouching pictures and just photography in general. Like, I really enjoy that. So Photoshop is number 1 and Lightroom is number 2. I use them both to edit my Instagram pictures. I started doing that probably in February, so if you go to my Instagram before February, you'll see all the pictures that I Facetune the crap out of. Photoshop, there are ways you can get it, you know, and it won't cost you as much, and that's all I'm gonna say, but I do pay like a monthly fee to be able to use Photoshop and Lightroom, and I love it. So number 7, what is your goal for this year regarding your YouTube channel? My number 1 goal is to be able to make a full-time income from YouTube, not just through like ad money, but also through sponsorships and things like that. And in March, I was able to actually say that I made a full-time income, which was nice. But April was a little slower, and May is still pretty slow because of everything that's going on in the world. So that's just unfortunate. But that's my goal, and I do want to hit at least 10K. In January, my goal was 50K, and I was like really pushing myself. But I am manifesting at least 10K. If I could get beyond that, that would be even more amazing. So, you know, subscribe if you haven't already, right? I don't know, I've realized in the last couple of months that subscribers aren't everything, that your views are more important. That's how you actually like make the money and all that. I've noticed in the last month or so that my engagement rate is really good right now, and I want to keep it that way. So like, I just want views to come in. So that's my goal, like being able to make an income off of YouTube and, you know, keeping my views up, but you know, hitting 10K would be just like a nice thing. Okay, the next question is, what influencers do you watch / follow for inspiration? I would say Kathleen Lights is my number 1. She is so amazing. We're both Cuban, we're both from Miami, we're both like the same person. We need to be friends, like Asape, but I'm representing her right now, as you can see. This is my hometown. I also really love Samantha March. I really love her talking videos. She's just like really like fun and interesting to listen to her ideas about products and like the different tags she does and the different like video ideas that she comes up with. And Desi and Katie, I love them too. Like all the bigger YouTubers, obviously, I really enjoy. And I also have like smaller YouTuber friends that I would highly recommend, and I'm gonna tag them in this tag video so that they can do this, and you'll see who they are. They're like, their channels are also awesome, obviously. So yeah, besides makeup, what else are you passionate about? I would say music. I was a music teacher. I do know how to play pretty much every instrument. I know how to play the piano, oboe, like every instrument. Like, yeah, I also really enjoy art, just like in other forms. I enjoy baking. I enjoy doing my nails now, and I'm learning to do hair. So I'm just like an all-around creative person. Number 10 is, what is one makeup trend you disliked? The whole eyebrow thing. Oh my gosh. I think it was last year, the Benefit Brow Search, they made them do all kinds of weird crap with their brows, like the squiggly brow and the whatever. I really hated the fluffy brow, the soap brow, but now I love it. I don't like my brows when they're just like the straight brow anymore. I like the fluffy brows, the soap brows. I don't remember what other ones there were, but the squiggly brow just like made me cringe so much. If you had the opportunity to collaborate with one brand, which would it be and what would you create? I would love to create an eyeshadow palette with ColourPop. It would be my ultimate like rainbow, or possibly even a pastel-y one. I haven't been able to find a good pastel palette, and I've been creating all these pastel looks, mixing colors from different palettes, and it's just been annoying. I would love my perfect pastel palette from ColourPop, or a nice rainbow, like really bright. Like, if you know me, I like bright makeup looks. Like, just look at my Instagram. But yeah, I would definitely create like something with ColourPop because they're just, I love that brand. Who/what inspired you to start a YouTube channel? Zoella. Back in the day. I've been doing YouTube since 2014. I didn't really take it seriously until last year, 2019. Like, I actually uploaded, okay, I would say 2018, like in the summer, but then I had a few months where I took off, and like that's why my channel has like been at a standstill, because I would take these large chunks of breaks. Don't recommend doing that if you want to grow your channel, by the way. I'm gonna have a video on how I grew my channel soon, because I have learned so many things in the last few months, like just 2020, like the last few months. I really love Zoella's beauty channel. I'm really sad she's not doing beauty videos anymore, but it is what it is. She's just pretty much a vlogger now. What beauty products do you use on a daily basis? The thing is, I create different looks every single day, like, and some are like really creative. Like my everyday makeup routine is, I don't have one because I just do makeup for YouTube or for Instagram, so it really just depends. Something that I use consistently though, I have it in front of me, is the Precisely My Brow from Benefit. That's how I get the fluffy brows, just doing like little hair like strokes. I love this thing. I also love the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. That's what I'm wearing right now. I decided not to put on falsies today because I'm just having a chill Saturday. It's Saturday, so after this, I'm not taking my makeup off. I just didn't want to put on lashes today. I use those pretty consistently, but everything else like pretty much changes. Like it depends on what look I'm doing. I'll go for a full coverage foundation, and I have a lot of foundations, so like I just never use the same thing every single day. But those two are like literally the daily situation. If you could use only 3 beauty products for the rest of your life, what would they be? Oh my gosh. Okay, mascara, highlighter, and lip gloss. I can't live without those 3 things. I'm loving lip gloss right now. Like, I'm loving the glossy lip situation. I just think it looks so like, I don't know. But highlight, I need my highlight. I never do a look without highlight, and I just need my, oh my god, but brows. I miss brows. How can I forget about brows? I would say brows over mascara, because I guess you would just look so incomplete without brows, right? Even though mine are kind of tattooed on, I'm not gonna lie, but they're fading, so I definitely still need to fill them in. The last question is to tag 3 beauty gurus. Okay, so I'm gonna tag Ariana from Twisted Glam. I'm gonna tag Amanda Rose and Jasmine Hewitt. I would tag more, but oh my gosh, I want to tag so many people. I just have so many like smaller YouTuber friends, and I think they should all do this tag because I want to hear their answers. I want to see what they would do. Yeah, so that completes this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I think this is so much fun to just sit down and talk to you guys about my thought process on makeup and my YouTube channel as a whole, and just the Makeup Lovers tag. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot, please. And I hope you'll consider subscribing before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.